Hello everyone! If you have an iPhone and you forget your screen lock or disable it after too many attempts, don't worry. Today I will tell you a very easy solution to unlock your iPhone. You can easily remove any screen lock. No need for any technical experience, just simply unlock your iPhone screen lock at your home. First, go to your browser and search for FoneTool Unlocker. Then go to their official website. Here you can see all the features supported by this tool. This tool supports many features like screen lock remove, Apple ID remove passcode, and many more. You can download this tool from here. Also, I will add a link in the description box. You can easily download from there. After downloading, install this tool on your PC. After complete installation, you can see all the features supported by this tool, like Unlock Screen Lock, Unlock Activation Lock, Unlock Apple ID, and many more. Now, let's see how this tool works. I will remove the iOS screen passcode on my iPhone with this tool. First, connect your device with PC and click Next. The tool will automatically download the required files for your device. Wait until the files are downloaded. I already downloaded it. Now click Remove Now. Please note that all your data will be erased, so make sure to back up everything before doing it. Your phone will boot into recovery mode. Just wait until all the processes are done and your phone boots into normal mode. Congratulations, your phone screen passcode has been removed. After all processes are completed, activate your phone normally. Your phone is unlocked. You can download this tool from the link in the description box.